Hi, welcome to Credential Manager. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the categories page so that you can see a different way that you can utilize to find services, maybe services that you don't know the name of. Right now we're in the main screen or the activation screen, and the way you get to the categories page is by clicking on the little down tick arrow here, and you see that categories is right there. Once you click on it, it will open up in a new window. It'll take you right into the categories page, which is what you see right here before you. I'm going to pull the scroll bar down a little bit. I want you to notice that currently there are 585 services or websites inside the database. All these websites are scam free. In other words, there are no scams here. They're all legitimate and active websites. And what you're looking at is a the categories for each different website that we have inside of Credential Manager. So there's a category called Webmaster Tools, which are mostly sites that are dealing for people that are webmasters. There's also certification sites, there's food sites, there's financial sites, there's forums, there's internet services, there's legal, there's medical, there's mobile data, there's music sites, there's marketing and advertising, there's social, there's shopping, search engines, software, and TV and online shows. And the little pop-ups that you see coming up as I'm going through the different things is a tooltip for each category. So like where it says analytics for your site, these are sites like Google Analytics that will tell you where your visitors are coming from. It's very useful for website management. Codeless websites, these are sites that provide you with a way to create websites without using any code. Now, the numbers that you see right next to the category name are activations and non-activations. The first number is how many sites you have activated inside of that category. The second number is the amount of sites that you don't have activated. So, as an example, for the analytics for your site, you'll see that it's 2 and 4. So 2 out of the 6 sites that are inside here, I have activated. So if I click on here, it'll take me inside to the analytics for your site, and you'll see that there's 1 blue, there's 2 blue, and there's 4 red. The red sites are the sites that I have not activated. The blue sites are the sites that I have activated. So I've activated Alexa and I've activated Google Analytics. But Amplitude, Kissmetrics, uh, Telium, and Mixpanel have not been activated. And you have different ways of activating. If you're a pro member, you'll have a little check mark with the name of the site right next to the name, which means that you can mass activate by clicking on more than one of them. And if I were to click on activate sites, those 3 sites that I just ticked on would be activated. I don't want to activate them, so I'm not going to. But once you do put a check mark in there, you can mass activate more than one site at a time. If you're a free member, then you can only activate one site at a time. And the way you would do that is by clicking on the activate button or the plus sign with the name of it right there. Same with Kissmetrics, Telium, and Mixpanel. So let's say that you've done what you want to do here. All you have to do is just click on the back key, and it'll instantly bring up the category page, and you can move on to a different category if you'd like. So let's say that you want to look at marketing and advertising because you're promoting your site, and you want to find something there, like uh, let's say that you want to look at traffic exchanges. So the tooltip comes up saying what traffic exchanges are, and if we click on that link, it will take us into the traffic exchange area, and you'll see that there are some red ones here and some blue ones. Blue ones are the ones that I have activated, and the red ones are the ones that I have not activated yet. And you can, as a free member, you can individually activate just by clicking on the button. That will bring up the pop-up, and then you can start to key in your credentials. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I mean, the category page, there's nothing really magic about it. The thing that I just want to draw your attention to, as far as the category page is concerned, is the fact that all of the websites that we have in the database are right here. So if you wanted to find them all, regardless of what you've activated and what you haven't activated, they're all here, right here on this page. And of course, you also have the Add a Website button that you can use to activate any website where you actually know the domain. So that's pretty much it. It really isn't any more difficult than that. Just to recap, each link has a tooltip. So when I float my mouse cursor over a link, the tooltip's going to come up. The numbers to the right of the link name, the first number is the amount of sites that you have activated. The second number is the amount of sites that you don't have activated. So under financial, under accounting, it says 16. That means that there are 7 websites inside of the accounting category. Or under analytics for your site, the same thing. 2 and 4, you just add those up. That's 6. So there are 6 sites in the analytics for your website. There are 12 websites inside of codeless websites. And a codeless website is a site or a system that will provide you with a way to create websites without using any code. In other words, you don't have to know HTML. You can use a template-based system to actually create your website for you. They're pretty cool. Most of them are not free. In other words, you do have to pay for them. Some of them are monthly, and some of them are one time. And you have a variety of other areas in the website, in the Webmaster Tools, that again is all geared toward the webmaster or someone that's dealing with websites. And there are a lot of different things that you can do here. So if you are looking for a specific category, or if you're just trying to find the type of website that you want to deal with, then the category page is an excellent resource. I want to thank you for participating with this training program, and I look forward to meeting you personally. Hope you have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.